Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now that the weather is getting nicer, I've been spending so much more time outside. I don't know about you guys, but my absolute favorite part is getting a fire going in the backyard as the sun sets. There's just something so primal and relaxing about it, you know? Today I've got something really exciting for you. We're gonna be stepping up our backyard fire game. No more huddling around those sad store-bought fire pits. We're going full DIY. That's right, we're going to look at 5 amazing DIY fire pit ideas that you can build at home. And the best part, these projects are all about using simple materials and easy to follow steps so you can create an awesome fire pit without breaking the bank. First up, we're going classic with a stone fire pit. This design is all about that timeless, rustic look, and it's surprisingly easy to build. Plus, you can usually find all the materials you need just by scouring your backyard or hitting up a local landscaping store. You know I love a good excuse to use my pickup truck. Start by grabbing some gravel for drainage and leveling out a nice wide area for your fire pit. Then comes the fun part, picking out the perfect stones. Get creative and mix and match sizes and shapes for a truly unique look. This is where your inner artist gets to come out. Now it's like building a tiny stone wall, layer by layer, using a little bit of construction adhesive to keep everything in place. Just remember to leave some gaps for airflow. And that's it. You've got yourself a classic stone fire pit, ready for marshmallow roasting and ghost stories. Alright, for our next build, we're going for a more modern, industrial vibe. And the best part, this one involves upcycling. We're talking about transforming an old metal drum or a large steel ring into a sleek and stylish fire pit. I love a good upcycling project, and this one is super satisfying. If you're using a metal drum, make sure to clean it out thoroughly and remove any hazardous residues. Safety first, people. Once it's all prepped, you can cut out a design or pattern on the sides. Think geometric shapes, cool symbols, or even your initials. This is your chance to get creative with an angle grinder. Now, for the base, you can use some sturdy metal legs, or create a ring out of bricks or cinder blocks, and just like that you've got yourself a one-of-a-kind fire pit that's sure to impress your friends. Chapter 3. For this next fire pit, we're going with a material that's built to last brick. Bricks are super durable, they can handle some serious heat, and they give you that classic, timeless look that never goes out of style. Plus, there are so many different types of bricks to choose from, you can really customize the look of your fire pit. Just like with the stone fire pit, you'll want to start with a level base of gravel for drainage. Then, it's time to lay your bricks. You can use a simple running bond pattern or get fancy with a herringbone or basket weave design. And don't be afraid to mix and match different colored bricks for a more unique look. Remember to use a fire-resistant mortar to secure your bricks and create a nice even surface. This is a fire pit after all, so you want to make sure it can handle the heat. Once the mortar dries, you're ready to get that fire going. Chapter 4. Alright, for all you modern design enthusiasts out there, this next fire pit is for you. We're going to be using concrete to create a sleek, minimalist masterpiece. Concrete is a super versatile material, and it's surprisingly easy to work with, even if you're a beginner. First things first, you'll need to build a mold for your concrete fire pit. You can use melamine boards, plywood, or even sturdy cardboard. Cut your chosen material into the desired shape and size of your fire pit, and then assemble it using screws or heavy-duty tape. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Once your mold is ready, mix up your concrete according to the package instructions. Pour the concrete into the mold, making sure to tap the sides to remove any air bubbles. Let it cure for at least 24 hours, and then carefully remove the mold. And there you have it, a stunning modern fire pit that's ready for action. Chapter 5. For our final fire pit, we're keeping things mobile with a portable fire pit. This is perfect for anyone who loves to camp, go tailgating, or just move their fire pit around the yard depending on their mood. Now there are tons of different ways to make a portable fire pit, but one of my favorite methods is to use an old metal washing machine drum. They're the perfect size, they've already got those pre-drilled holes for ventilation, and they're super durable. Plus, it's another chance to give new life to something that might have ended up in a landfill. Just give the drum a good cleaning, and then you can customize it with some heat-resistant paint, or attach some sturdy handles for easy transport. Throw in a grill grate if you're feeling fancy, and you've got yourself the ultimate portable fire pit, ready for any adventure. Outro, I hope you enjoyed these DIY fire pit ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you decide to build one of these bad boys, be sure to share some pictures. I love seeing your creations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. We've got a ton of cool stuff coming up and you don't want to miss it. Hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video drops. See you next time.